Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingani Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm a little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit.
Morning, Bazalwane. Okay, let's start Kampilone. At this point, I am going to pay that Lobola money or that Ntlawulo money myself so that we can get rid of the storyline and move on, right? But what was interesting to see on what happened to Kubompilo is that we saw that how Kantemsele Kulim Mateng Patelana Metsi is not as bad as we thought it was. But nonetheless, Mseleku wabona hanye kunta a understandably so, because ke mo hodisitse ngwana, so why swantse ke mo tshetse di-million a ke tlhalwa. But nna like the next season ba tla ka sona story se ke bona ko tseya loan ko Capitec, ke tseya loan ko Capitec or African barking credit card ko African bank ko patela na ha ikhutse ko re khone bona dilo tse ding ke wrong ko re no bona ka di bank tse ke bolang ka tsona gore vele ke motho le dikoloto ne.